Russian forces launched missile strike in Ukrainian Kyiv in Kherkiv region, reported on Friday, 28 July 2022. Russian Defense Ministry spokesperson Igor Konashenkov confirmed that the hit and capital city of Ukraine from 3 bases of attack. The high-precision weapon fired from land, air, and sea destroyed, completely paralyzed the 13th Mechanized Brigade, with being prepared for the action in Donbass and the training ground in Lyutey in Kyiv region. The 57th Motorized Infantry Brigade, which was covering its combat capabilities in Chernigov region, Goroskovskoye Combined Armed Training Ground, suffered major losses. Operational, tactical, and army aviation continue striking military facilities in Ukraine. Missile troops and artillery continue to target military targets. 1 Torshka U ballistic missile launcher, 1 missiles, 1 artillery and ammunition depots of the 81st Airborne Brigade of Armed Forces of Ukraine near the Kastanovto settlement in Donetsk People Republic during the day. 275 areas of enemy manpower and military equipment were hit. Russian aerospace forces destroyed 1 Tors Mi anti-aircraft missile launcher near Derganshi, Kharkov region. In addition, a Su-34 destroyed a Ukrainian self-propelled 1 Buk-Mi anti-aircraft missile system near Zadosnov, Donetsk People Republic. Russian air defense shot down 6 unmanned aerial vehicles overnight near Chervony-Shavol, Chervonoye, Fernopole, Velikaya Kamyshevka in Kharkov region, and Verneretskoye in Donetsk People Republic. 12 shells and multiple rocket launcher systems, as well as 1 Torshka U ballistic missiles near Chernovo, Oskol, Kharkov region, were intercepted near Chernobyevka in Kherson region and Gorsky, Lugansk People Republic. In total, 260 Ukrainian aircraft and 145 helicopters, 1,631 unmanned aerial vehicles, 361 anti-aircraft missile systems, 4,181 tanks and other armed combat vehicles, 768 multiple rocket launcher systems, 3,213 field artillery and mortars, as well as 4,522 units of the special military vehicles were destroyed during the operation. Opposite side, Ukrainian authority informed that 222 Russian aircraft destroyed until day 158. Putin also lost 190 helicopters and 1,746 tanks and anti-aircraft warfare system, 258 multiple rocket launcher system, 2,870 vehicles, fuel tanks, 880 unmanned aerial vehicles, and 15 boats.